The Anichkov bridge is situated where Nevsky Prospect and the Fontanka River intersect. This bridge was built 3 times, but its name has never been changed. It was named after an Admiralty engineer, Major Mikhail Anichkov. The first wooden bridge in this place was built in 1715. The present bridge was built between 1839 and 1841 by the engineer Andrei Gottman and the architect Alexander Brylov. The length of the bridge is 54 meters. The width is 37 meters. Its main decorations are 4 tamed horses. They are considered to be Petr Klot's best sculptures. These sculptures won him the world's acclaim. One sculpture group depicts a young man leading a horse. Another sculpture depicts a youth attempting to control a mettlesome horse. Klot finished working on the first 2 sculptures in 1841. He cast them in bronze. Each sculpture was repeated and the 2 pairs were to be placed symmetrically on the bridge corners. But Nicholas I ordered to send 2 of the statues to Berlin as a present to the Prussian king. These sculptures were installed in the front of the Grand Palace. For these sculptures, Petr Klot was elected a member of the Berlin, Paris and Rome Academies of Fine Arts. The remaining 2 sculptures were given as a present to the King of Naples and placed in the garden of San Carlo Theatre in Naples. The 2 pairs of the alabaster copies were placed on the Anichkov bridge. For some years, Klot sculptured and cast new and more impressive sculptures. In 1850, they were mounted on the granite pediments of the Anichkov bridge. The struggle of a man and a willful, unbroken horse is the theme of the sculptures. The sculptor possessed a brilliant knowledge of the human and horse anatomy. These sculptures have made up an expressive sculptural ensemble. They have always been considered a success since the moment of their creation. These outstanding works have become one of the symbols of St. Petersburg.